Good morning. This is Donna again with Thread Treasures Embroidery, and I just wanted to do a quick update on the custom thread uh, colored chart that I made for myself that I have all of my threads in, or at least the ones that I can find the color codes for. I do have a couple of Sigma type brand that's sold or was sold by Metro EMB, but I don't have the color codes for them. I may look for them later on, but like I said, I only have like 3 or 4 of the big 5,000 meter spools, so I'm not really worried about it. But as you can see from this one, versus what it used to be, I took out where I had like Donna Dash Marathon and then the Marathon rayon or polyester or whatever. I took out the particular manufacturer on the Donna because I am just going to have one color chart. So here's the rayons, the polyesters for Marathon. I have a section for the Floriani that I have. Here's my Metro threads that I have, and most of these are, the 5,000 meter spools. And I do have 4 Metro Pro 5,000 meter spools. So I'm going to actually save this file, and let's open up Embird now. Let's go into the digitizer. And we'll do our little so I'm actually going to go up and select my color chart. I'm going to put it on 3D. But now you can see where it says Marathon Polyester, the Metro, the Floriani, and it's all in there. So I can digitize my designs to the threads that I have on hand. And if you like to go in and change the color of your designs to see how they would look with the threads that you have on hand, instead of having to open up various color charts to be able to change, say a leaf to a different color or something like that. If you had your own color chart, then you could just scroll through and do what you want to do, select from your threads that you have. So that's one of the benefits of building your own. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like, and that I had indeed changed it. And one of the things also, let me get this up real quick. When I was doing like searching for numbers, like say I would be here and then I would like search for 222. There's one there. Well, obviously that's not a good one because it's let's look for 752, because I know that is not a RGB color code, because they only go up to 255, I think it is. Anyway, so you see that it can't find it. I was searching down. You also, if it says it can't find it, search upwards as well. Notepad is very simplistic, and it doesn't necessarily, or it doesn't search in both directions. You have to tell it which you want to do. So that's a quick update. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.